Okay, so hi everyone. This is the recording, the assignment of distributed computing, and I'm going to do in the use case number 0, which means the file shared distributed file management system. So let me explain the code of the content what I've been coded. So so this is the main.java file which have been integrated the registry, and in here I've been get the server.txt file that been inserted, so which there is on IP address with the port address, and I've been put the for loop for the replicator location that file. So these are the variables that I'm in, and therefore the serialization have been created, and the construct. So another thing, boolean integer and void. I mean the get and this. Uh, so uh, so I've been put the large client for the and there's just a try catch I've been put, and so I've been get the output to the file name and retrieve, and there's a custom testing that messaging when the executing the message printout. So and they also replicated server client interface that I've been put. So these are some kind of the libraries, and um, so I've been put the file content, which is the get from the file content from the data, and it we implement serialization, and I think to get a serialize for the particular chunk file, and there have been integrated two variables, and then for the construct, and for the I mean the file name and get contents and those things, and this is the client Java class, and I've been put the ports and integrate those stuff, and same as the remember try catch, the get the registry and the two parameters of the port numbers and the address. Then I've been throw exception I put if the value will put the grant operation, and so I print the commands that if it is successful. Um, then I've been checking the writing the file parameters, the content name and chunk file. If I put the do while for the content, if there the sequence number will get, and uh, and it's the same as the for loop I've been put in the file content the chunk file. So this one is the client and the batch operation gonna do, and this one is the master which we're gonna elect, and in here the heartbeat has been integrated, and I've been get the replication location, and then put the try catch if the replicator is alive or not, and if it is false, if the get the boolean value false. And in here I've been put heartbeat value that the elections how is change descending order, and I've been mapping in here replicator location and master interface, and same as the mapping and the array list. So in here I heartbeat set the timer for the particular heartbeat rate which we allow to get the chunk file and particular time which gonna elect the gonna master, and in here get the file name and parameter of the file name, and put the replicas in here, and put the if condition and then pass if it the parameter file name, and then put the try catch to get the exact output, the file name and location, and that's how it create the master file. And so so the config file is the all the port numbers and localhost which have been implemented, and so the replica location has been previously showed. So this one is a replica server which the port number assigned for the server address and location, and therefore the created variables for the and mapping to the each string variables. And here replica server and pass the tree mapping. So there's the file content that directory, the buffering input and source, so etc. So this much at least have been. And let me run this application get see the output. So it's already done. So it's a service ready, and there's a been created replicate servers and times in true, and master stub fetched and successfully, and therefore they can change file to file 1 file to change randomly some sort of okay. So right now it's already created the files, the replica 0, replica 1, replica 2, replica 3 and replica 4. So each one has been created the file. So this is how it's works in simultaneously in each chunk file, and the replicas that have been created. So that's it to this assignment, and thanks a lot.